This is a brief tutorial on converting the current ankle stabilizer, part numbers 501922 through 501927, to the hinged ankle stabilizer using the retrofit kit, part numbers 501852 to 501857. You'll be receiving from distribution a retrofit kit along with 2 DFUs in a large box. This is the retrofit stirrup and 2 DFUs. The hinged ankle stabilizer will stay with the product. The hinged ankle stabilizer retrofit kit is for your instruction on how to apply the stirrup to the ankle stabilizer. First, you will remove the current ankle stabilizer of the appropriate size. You will discard the box. You will discard the directions for use. Next, you will release the upper elastic collar. You'll release the bilateral figure-8 straps. You will then apply the stirrup so that the top of the stirrup matches the top of the ankle stabilizer. It wraps around the heel so that the short part is towards the heel and the large part is towards the forefoot. You'll then secure the other side, matching it at the top as well. This is adjustable in height for the patient. You'll then re-secure the figure-8 straps. You'll re-secure the collar. You will confirm that the hinged ankle stabilizer instructions for use is with the new product. It will go into the new box. This will go on the shelf. Your instructions for use on this process goes in the trash as well. Thank you.